Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
We have here a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house situated in the quiet community of Town, just 5 minutes drive from the town center of Mandeville. This house is in close proximity to all modern amenities, including restaurants, schools, universities, hospitals, and so on. This house is also being offered at a reasonable price. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 21 million or US $136,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.